What's up, everyone? Finally got some snow here in New England. I figured not really a car video, but this thing does have wheels. This is the Ego electric snowblower, and this is going to be my first time using it. I think we got about 7 inches of snow right now. Snow's still coming down, so let's see what it has. People are skeptical about the electrical power. I'm indifferent. We'll see how it works. Let's do it. Alright, so that was pretty quick, pretty painless. This thing did the job. You can see it's pretty snowy out. I want to say between 6 and 7 inches. Somewhat wet snow, kind of that perfect snowball snow. Not too light, not too heavy as of right now. And we got a double wide driveway, probably 3 or 4 cars long. And I also did the little walkway around the house. And let's see if the battery lights. There we go. So barely went through, just missing one little section of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1/5 of the battery power on each. Got plenty juice to go. This thing worked great.